Look, I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean to neglect you. I know I've been spending way too much time inside the house with my wife. I should have been spending the time with you. And instead, I just been neglecting you. I'm sorry. I'm out here supposed to be looking like The Weeknd. And now I just look like a stressed out J. Cole. Will you forgive me? Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. In this video, this is going to be the final video of us restoring the 1998 Mach 1. We have the shaker hood installed in there, and we also have the hood latchers installed. We have the front bumper right here, and then the back bumper over there. But in this video, I'm not finna do much talking. I'm just gonna clean up the car and actually start putting it together to where it actually look like a car. Cause yeah, this is tragic. I'll show you the inside. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get started on it.